Hi guys, welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. It's been a while. I am sorry, I've been consumed by TikTok. Today I'm going to show you how to make water decals. Yeah, without using nail polish. Yeah, the secret's out, guys. All right, so first thing you need is water slide decal paper. I like to use both transparent and white. I find the white works best for full nail wraps and the transparent for like smaller. You'll see here that there is a glossy side to the paper and there is a matte side. You are going to want to print the images on the glossy side. Here is my printer. It's just a little Canon printer. It was around $30 on sale at Walmart. I'll put the model of it in the description box. And then I just use Microsoft Word on my PC. And then what you'll want to do is, because this decal paper is size A4, you're going to want to format or change the layout to A4. And then I also like to make my margins very narrow to use as most of the paper as possible. We do not like to waste anything here. So then you're going to open up your Google, search the images you want. So I'm just going to do Cardi B. I do find that the best images are when you select wallpaper because they are the most high quality, I guess. They're HD. So these are the wallpaper images of Cardi B that came up. And then I'm going to select this one, which I think would be pretty good as a full nail wrap. And what you're going to do is just copy the image and then paste it into Word. And then you're going to reduce the size. I've done this multiple times, so I already know just by looking at my screen how big the nail is, but you are going to want to do a test print first on regular paper, not to waste your water slide paper. Now, another little tip I wanted to show you, if the image has a lot of extra space at the sides that you don't want, you can open up your snipping tool, and then what you can do is just snip out the part of the image that you want to use for the nail. So you're just going to select new, and then you're going to select out your image that you want. And then you're just going to, once again, copy that and then paste it into Word and do the same thing you did before by sizing it to the image beside it. I like to size them, like each row, the same, because that's how you get the most out of your paper. And then you're going to fill it all up. And honestly, guys, this is what is the most time-consuming part, is finding and sizing the images. So before you print, you are going to want to open up your control panel and go to your printer preferences, and then you're going to want to make sure that your preferences are set to high quality photo printing. You're going to want to make the paper glossy, since we are using glossy paper, and change the size to A4. So I always like to do this in the control panel first, in my printer preferences, just to make sure it is all set up properly. So you're going to apply that, hit OK, and then you're going to go back into Word and print the image from there. And then, because I am a nerd, I also do a double check here to make sure that it is all on the correct format. Hit OK, and then hit print. And my printer, I guess, because when you change the paper from standard to something else, or to, I guess, a high quality print, it does a double check. So here we go. Yes, we want to print this. And then you pray that your printer starts working. And it is working. Woohoo! So then you wait, and you wait, and you wait. So this is high quality print. It does take a little bit of time to print it out. It doesn't use too much ink though, this printer, to be honest. I've only changed the ink cartridges twice since I purchased it. So when it is all done, that is how it looks. And then you will wait for this ink to dry and lay it out before the next secret spray, which is this Krylon Kamar Varnish. You just get it at Walmart in the craft section. You're welcome. So I spray it twice back to back. I only showed one time spraying it here because it was really hard to hold my phone and spray it at the same time. But that was one layer, and then I do a second coat until it looks like this. Yes, kind of like a little puddle, I guess. So that's gonna take about 3 to 4 hours to dry fully. So for the sake of time, this is how they look. These were ones I did previously, and I'm gonna show you now how to use it. So once it is dry, they are just ready to go. They're ready to be used. So you cut out the design that you want to use. I cut all of it out. And then you place it in water. I like to place it image side down so I can watch the water soak into the back. You do want to make sure it is completely soaked through before you try pulling the image off the backing, or else you could end up ripping it. So make sure that all those dry spots are soaked through. So then you are going to take the image out of the water, and I like to use tweezers to carefully peel it off like a sticker. You don't want to slide it, because if there are any like small spots that are stuck, sliding it can cause them to rip. So you do want to just peel it slowly like a sticker, and you will not have any issues. And then when using gel, I like to place it on a cured base coat, the dispersion layer of a cured base coat, because it is quite sticky, and I find the full wrap just, it folds down quite nicely and quite smooth. Yeah, these things work so well. I was completely amazed by them when I made them the first time, and I just felt I really needed to share them with everybody. So please like and subscribe to my channel, guys, if you really found this helpful and you want to see more of me share these nail secrets with you. Bye.